CapCut just dropped their new AI video generator, and the crazy thing is it's completely free.
But Kaz, YouTube just said that they are not going to monetize AI videos anymore. So, why is this going to be any useful for us?
Well, my friend, you are just misinformed. YouTube never said they are going to ban all AI videos. It just has to be authentic and creative. I would recommend you to watch this video and learn about the new policy.
Oh, my bad. Let me watch this.
Okay, back to our topic. Now, if you are into faceless content creation, you know you will need multiple tools to make videos. For voice generation, AI videos, AI images, and final editing. Now, with this new YouTube monetization policy, you have to edit your videos more and put some human effort as well. That's why I recommend CapCut for your content creation journey. Because with their new AI update, you can access all features in one place. No need to pay for multiple subscription services. And we all know that CapCut is a beginner-friendly video editor. You don't need to be an expert at video editing to use this tool. It's really simple to use, and you can edit anything with this tool. Now, they have released their AI capabilities, including script writing, AI images, and AI videos. Okay, if you follow the link in the description, you will come to this page, and here you can download the CapCut for your PC or phone. Then you can install it, and let me show you how to use it. So once you download and open CapCut, this is the dashboard you're going to see, and this is where all the magic happens. If you want to access AI features, you need to select this AI video maker, and it will take several seconds, and you will be redirected to a new page. As you can see here, we have access to all the AI capabilities, like AI videos, where you can create an AI video from scratch, and this AI brainstorming feature, which you can use to generate a unique script. And we have this AI avatar option as well. Now let's make some AI videos with this tool. Let's select this new project option. Okay, now here's the AI dashboard we are going to use. It's not complex at all. First, I'm going to make a video script with this, so let's select this option, and I'm going to enter the topic, which is most dangerous apex predators on Earth. Then we need to add some key points. Basically, this is about what to include in your video. The next step is to add the duration to this video. For this example, I'm going to add 3 minutes. The crazy thing is, you can make a whole 10-minute video with this tool, and that's super helpful. And here you can add the writing style. I'm going to add it like this. Make sure to start the video with a hook that can grab the viewer's attention and hook them till the end. Also, I want this video to sound both funny and dangerous. Once you are done with this process, simply click the Create button. It only took me around 10 seconds. And we have an amazing video script for our video topic. So, it starts with this. Picture this. You're face-to-face with nature's most lethal killing machines, heart pounding, adrenaline surging, but you can't look away. Something like this is actually better as a hook, and it's not boring. And we have other paragraphs. Here they have talked about the ocean's ultimate assassin killer whale. And we also have paragraphs about the other 2 animals that we provided. So, you can go through this script and see if it meets your expectations, and if everything looks good, you can go to the scenes option. Now here we have a lot of AI avatars that you can use for your video. We have these rich old guys with different ethnicities. These are good for business-related videos. And we have these middle-aged news reporters type characters, and some fitness influencers, doctors, and even some 3D cartoon characters. Basically, we have like hundreds of AI avatars specific for different niches. However, in this video, I'm not going to use these AI avatars. So let's go to this voiceover option and select a suitable AI voice. We need an energetic and exciting voice. Let's check this.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
It's kind of boring and sleepy.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
That's definitely not good for this video.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Again, not that good.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
I like the tone of this voice, but it's kind of sleepy. We don't need our viewers to get bored.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Okay, this is perfect for our video. Once you are done with the voiceovers, click the Apply to All Scenes option. What it will do is, it will cut all the scenes into several paragraphs and convert them into voiceovers. This process only took me like 20 seconds, and we have all the voiceovers ready.
Picture this. You're swimming in the ocean, enjoying the cool water on a hot summer day. Suddenly, a massive shadow looms beneath you. Your heart races as you realize you're face-to-face with one of nature's most formidable predators. But which one? Today, we're diving into the world of apex predators, those...
That sounds amazing. Now, we need to take care of the visuals. When you go to this media option, we have these 3 options. The first one is AI generated media. Basically, these are AI images and videos. Based on these scenes, this tool can generate images and clips using AI. With this second option, you can upload the video clips you already have, and CapCut will match those clips with the script and add them to your video. With this third option, CapCut will search through their stock videos and add suitable stock video clips to complete the visuals. With the new policy update, I think it's better to go with this third option instead of making everything AI. So let's click this option. Now it only took me around 2 minutes and our video is already completed. As you can see here, we have stock videos to match each scene. Let's take a look at the video.
Picture this. You're swimming in the ocean, enjoying the cool water on a hot summer day. Suddenly, a massive shadow looms beneath you. Your heart races as you realize you're face to face with one of nature's most formidable predators. But which one? Today, we're diving into the world of apex predators, those creatures at the top of the food chain that strike fear into the hearts of their prey.
Okay, if you think some of the video scenes don't match the video script, you can easily replace those, and it's really simple. You can go to the clip you want to remove and click the replace option. Now you can use this search bar to search for a clip you like, and this is going to be a stock video clip, or else you can generate an AI image for this scene. What you need to do is type what you want to generate here, and let's select the realistic style and aspect ratio, and click the generate button to generate some images. Now you can select any image you prefer, and replace the scene you wanted with it. Just like this, you can easily replace the clips you don't like. After that, make sure to go to this Elements feature where you can add some cool subtitle styles to your video. Default subtitles are actually boring, therefore you need to select an engaging subtitle style for your video. You can add these subtitles and preview them using the video and see if it actually matches. Then, I'm going to edit this video more. For that, you need to click the Edit More option. When you click this, the whole project will be imported to CapCut Editor, and here we can do some edits to improve the quality of the video. Not only that, but by editing this video, we can give it a unique touch, so that this video will not be considered as 100% AI generated. If you do this, you don't have to be worried about getting demonetized on YouTube. The first thing you can do is add some transitions between these clips. This is a simple but effective way to increase the quality of your video. Select this transition feature from the top menu, and add suitable transitions. They have like hundreds of different transitions. Now you can also go to this effect option and select some suitable effects on your video. Some of these effects don't actually go well with this niche, so you need to choose carefully. You can also go to this adjustment layer option and add a custom adjustment layer to the timeline. Then you can expand it to fit the whole video. Now, with this menu, you can play with the overall color settings of this video. With this, you can give a unique look to your video, and it can make your video stand out more. And now this will not be considered as 100% AI generated. We already put some human efforts to finish this video. So just like this, you can easily create videos with CapCut's new AI and even edit those however you like with their editor. And I hope this video was helpful. And with that, today's video has come to end. So I will see you in the next video.